Welcome back to my channel. A question I'm going to answer this morning is, how can I start learning Igbo language today? Well, you could start with the obvious, which is pushing a self-plug here. Go to Learn Igbo channel. You're already there if you're watching this video. But if you haven't yet done so, subscribe and watch the videos there. But seriously though, you could start learning Igbo today by taking note of everything around you, getting a piece of paper, and then putting down names of things you can see throughout your day that you don't know the names of in Igbo. For example, if you pick up a spoon to eat your cereal this morning and you don't know the name of a spoon, what spoon is called in Igbo, you could make a note on either your mobile phone or a notepad. Actually, when you're going out today, buy a notepad and then put down the names of things you encounter on your day to day, and then start looking for the names of those things in Igbo. So that way you start learning Igbo and start learning Igbo what is local to you and what is common to you. For example, on a park, I don't know if you can see the park here. That's a little children's park. So if I want to find out what it is, I put it down, go back, and you can use Google Translate if you like. But a little caveat here, Google Translate is not always accurate, but it's a start. So the park, children's park, I would call it, children's park is Ameguregu. And then I'm directly in front of a tree. Can you see that tree? So a tree is Osisi, Ukwu Osisi. And again, you can see a house. A house is Olo. Olo is house. And then you can see a car here. Car is Obala. But in Igbo land, you're most likely to hear moto. Okay. And now I'm walking on a narrow road. So a road is Uzo. Uzo is a way. A path is Awaruzo. So Awaruzo is a path. Another tree here. So that's Nnukwu Osisi or Oke Osisi, because this is really a mighty tree. If you can see here, that's a really mighty tree. So Oke Osisi. Oke is typically male, but when you say Oke Osisi, it means mighty tree. It's got some really huge a huge root. I wonder how old this tree is. But okay, keep it. I just saw a piece of stick. Yeah. So a stick is Osisi. So basically, if you want to start learning Igbo today, it's easy to do so. And then another one is you can see some leaves there, some grass. So grass is ahihia. And then you can see a leaf. Leaf is akwokwondo. And we're near the park now, on the enclosure for children's playground. The grass is a bit overgrown, obviously, because of COVID. They're not letting anybody come into the park to play. But you can see a swing here, and this swing is Jangolova in Igbo. It's called Jangolova. So in summary, I've tried to answer how you can start learning Igbo today. So the way you can start learning Igbo easily today is to get a piece of paper, write down the words of anything you encounter throughout the whole day of what you don't know in Igbo language, and then you start looking for the Igbo names of those, the Igbo names of the words you're looking for. So as we can see, we're walking towards dogs. Dog means Nkita in Igbo language. Good morning, how are you? Yeah. So There's another dog called a pug. It's a pug. Obere nkita. Nkita is pug. Yeah. So I'm just saying nkita is pug. Nkita is dog. The dog seems to like me. It's following me.
She's pretty much blind.
Oh, is she? Oh.
She can't see. And when we come up here, she's facing the sun, so she just can't see a thing.
Oh.
She tends to turn around and go back the way she came.
Yeah.
On we go.
All right, then. You have a nice day, yeah?
You too, right,
Bye. I'm not normally a dog person. Usually I avoid them because I was badly bitten as a child when I was growing up in Enugu. But anyway, nice man. So anyway, you get the gist of what I was talking about. You take a notepad, write down everything you encounter on your day, and then you start looking for the name, the Igbo name of those items you've written down. If you look here, there's a bin, and the bin is mbumbu in Igbo language. And so I was rounding up when the dog started following me, but that's it really. So if you have any comments about this this little video, let me know in the comment section below, and that's it.